Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. All the indices up, Dow's up quite a bit. Let's see, how good of a day is it going to be today for the markets? Or do we finally start to pull back? Look at the economic calendar real quick. What do you have coming out today? Yeah, trade balance here at 8:30. Probably won't move the markets, low impact. 10 o'clock, we have jolts and factory orders. We still have the large gap from Sunday night. So do we get some type of news event that smacks us down there? Nikkei last night up 202. HSI was down 156. DAX is up 208. CAC is up 14.9. Kospi was up 101. Now, Kospi and Nikkei were down a little bit last night while we were on stream, but looks like they've come back here a little bit. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's hope today's gonna be a good day. Last night, man, I was up almost 1,000 trying to push it. I think when we ended the stream, I was only up $27. Went red, went green, went from like 900 bucks down 300-ish dollars, back up to 800 and something, and then back red again, and then I finished down or up $27. I took one other trade last night after the stream, so I did get back a little bit, but nothing to where I was, and that's for sure. So you see the regression channel right now sloping up. We are in the deviation bands. Let's just do a quick VWAP check. Where is the Mr. VWAP? Actually, before I do that, I gotta make sure I get some of this lucky like button smashes. Let me do this. All right, looks like I'll be lucky number 16. Let's get it. I had to smash that lucky like button. Make sure I get my extra dose of luck out there today. Oh man, oh man. Market's making you mad today. BK, I killed him early. Oh, let's see. Hey, the block talk. What's up? Trying to get my bearings here. All right, let's go do the VWAP check. Start off with the Dow. Let me get rid of all this. So Dow's way above the VWAP. Dow's at 591. We had this little rocket ship up here at what, 630. Way on up there. Let's see who had earnings out this morning. Who had earnings? Pfizer, Caterpillar, McDonald's. So let's just go look at something real quick. Go to Dow Jones. Oh, so Google and stuff's down. Nvidia's up pretty big. Oh, there's Caterpillar. Caterpillar's up 10%. Is Mickey D's? Mickey D's up 1.23%. What about Pfizer? Is Pfizer in here? I don't think it is. See Merck. Yeah, Pfizer's not in there. Man, Caterpillar's getting. Let's go look at Caterpillar's stock real quick. And you see right there, pre-market, big rocket ship when the earnings came out. So, yeah, you get by a cat. Palantir 10 contracts. PLTR. Hey, do you got puts or calls on the Palantir? I've never used a TAS, but I have helped somebody set up they're having a hard time getting connected with the prop firms through a TAS. So I remoted in. I was able to help them through it. Their charts look pretty good, but I've never personally used them. I only helped somebody try to get set up with the prop firms with them. That was it. So Palantir right now, pre-market. Says it's up 15%. So we gotta scroll this back. Yeah, then we can see the big old spike up when the earnings came out last night. And a big old rocket ship. Wait, not every corporate. If we wasn't it Meta? That was Meta. Let's look at this. Yeah, Meta had earnings and they got smoked. But look, Meta already came back and filled the gap. Big earnings gap down, whoop, right back up. Just like that. Yeah, Meta doesn't make anything. That's true. That is true. Bitcoin today is up 333. VIX is down 20 cents. Look at the VIX on the daily though. Look, we're back down in this zone where we get a volatility spike. You know, down around these areas. Market's prone to get volatility spikes. Problem is, what will be the catalyst today? I don't think it's going to be Jolts. I don't think Jolts has enough juice to really flip this market. I think it's going to have to be something else. Maybe some type of headline. I don't have financial juice pulled up. All right. So we'll see how it's going to shake out. I got to be careful this morning. Last night, I did not have the best session. Some people expecting good. Rejection on the yes, maybe. So I said Sunday night when we streamed. You guys, if you guys don't know, I do stream live at nights as well. I've been having the stream set up at 8:30, but I've been coming on the mic 8 to 8:15. But Sunday night, I was talking about, I don't think we're going to fill the gap Sunday night. I said maybe Monday the earliest, but more likely Tuesday or Wednesday or even Thursday. If we do not fill the gap by Thursday's close at 5 p.m., it's probably going to be a few weeks before we come back and visit that level. So we'll see. What we got to do is get some news out about the deals falling apart again, and down she goes. Now, if we look at the 4-hour charts, let's look at these 4 hours real quick. All right, we talked about this yesterday even. We have this untested point of control up here, 313. The high tonight, or today, has been 245, so it's really not that far away. I wouldn't mind seeing a little bit more of a push up to there and then smack it down. And if we look at the ES, I mean, that's a pretty straight move. We're talking yesterday, we were above the 786, so we expected a 100% retracement of this move right here. All right, here is the 786. And we most certainly did get the 100% retracement. So we got it. Now, on the 30-minute, yesterday was a pretty good move up. I said last night even, I expected D-shaped profile. So normally we'll probe up higher, and then we'll come down here a little bit. I don't think we'll get a big flush down, but maybe down here a little bit, and then we'll probably pop back up. So I'm looking for a fade back down towards this area. And we have a couple key levels. 76.19, and then right here, 76.11. Anyone dare to buy the top? That's just the breakout point. Now, if we look on the NASDAQ, nasty NASDAQ, let's see what we got going on here. NASDAQ's had a 414 point range already. We are above the developing value area high. So I do think at some point today, we'll make it back down to the developing value area high and probably even the point of control at 29,061. But I am kind of curious. Let's go look at the gamma levels real quick. Ooh, we have a lot being built out up here now. Hey, so we have a lot of gamma coming out here to the upside. Look at all this gamma. Look, we didn't have all this here before. Is this going to act as resistance and repel us down? We got quite a bit up here at 30,000 too, but anywhere from the current price, that's a lot of gamma up there. We'll see if we're going to get rejected from up in these areas. That's quite a bit. What's it ES look like? Yeah, yes, we have a little bit more up here. About 701. We have the 1 day max up there. Coming up on the call resistance. Interesting. Now, I preferably would like to see a pullback in the market. We'll see if we get it. I don't know. AMD does have earnings after the bell. Who else had earnings after the bell? It was AMD and SpaceX. I don't know. Is SpaceX gonna be getting it? Let's go back here and look at NASDAQ. SpaceX up over 3% pre-market. That's up 1%. Still got a problem here. Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Apple. All the chips are up today. That's good, but what about SPY versus... All right, SPY's up 0.35. RSP is up 0.32, so kind of even on that. Short ES or MES to VWAP. Where are we in the bands? Let's go look. Where are we in the bands? Yeah, we are coming off that second deviation band up here. Push back down. I can't say that I disagree with you. Hey, Sam, I might join you on that. Back from vacation. Yeah, we had a little bit of upside the last couple days. All right, Sam, I joined you. I got 2 MES on. I'm going to play down towards that VWAP. VWAP's around 42. It's not going to be a huge move. I'll probably try to front run this around 44-ish. Let's see if we can get that push down. Like, it doesn't say until it is going to be locked out. Hey, Raphael, no, if you click on that lock button, you can lock out the accounts. I don't want to do it because it'll show all my account numbers. But maybe I'll try to make a video on that. But once you lock it, it's locked until the time is up. If it's locked, it'll tell you how much time you have left before you can unlock it. AMD way overpriced. Let's go see. Mr. AMD, are you overpriced? You know, it's been up here for a hot minute. We do have that large gap down here. We'll see if we come down and try to fill it. Maybe, maybe not. We got some trade detector bubbles right here. Let's see if we can get the push down. Piggybacking off Sam's trade here. So 42 is the VWAP. I'm trying to get out around 44. Yeah, Simi's Caterpillar had a good reaction to earnings, up 10%. That's nuts. We had that large gap from Sunday night. I seen CL was going down lower this morning, too. Have to bring that up. So on the 5-minute, CL kind of puked from up here, from 82 all the way down here to 76. So I want to go look at financial juice real quick. What's that again? U.S. will do whatever it takes to support the Japanese yen. That was at 758. Let's see when we had that last little blast off up. 758. If we look. No. This happened before Besant. Initial. Oh. Hey, so that little spike up right there. U.S. Treasury Besant said we may have an Iran deal tomorrow to open up Hormuz. Oh boy. That was a spike right here, and then that correlated with the oil going down as well. So they didn't say we will have a deal tomorrow. We may. We may. Yeah, no more deals. And then over the weekend, we're going to push her back to the Stone Ages. Before the market opens Sunday night, oh, we have a deal. We're working on a deal. We called off all the strikes. That's a good question. What are yields doing? Yields are down right now. So we still have this ABC target up here at 4.786. So I kind of wish I would have went a little bit bigger on this S&P trade down to VWAP. At least at the moment. I wish I would have went a little bit bigger. Yeah, ABC target to 4.78. Hey, I know we have a lot of deals. It's like that's how Iran gets the U.S. to surrender. Just say the D word. Deal. No more strikes. No more strikes. No more strikes. We almost have a deal. That's like Trump's kryptonite. All you gotta do is say deal. We want to talk deal, and Trump will do a U-turn. Everyone gets a deal. You get a deal. You get a deal. You get a deal, and you get a deal. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I think they're just really trying to kick the can down the road to after elections. But yeah, a tariff or peace deal. So we'll see. Yeah, it feels like NASDAQ's moving a little bit slow this morning. We'll see if we get another rocket ship up or not. We do have that, like I said earlier, that point of control up here at 313. But I'm kind of a little bit cautious about wanting to get long. We've had quite the move up without a pullback. So at least get like a little dip and then rip back up maybe. But right now we got us just pushing on back up. Let's make a deal. Just came on. Yeah, Donnie wants to deal more than Iran. Iran's like, we can just hang out underground for a while. We'll be all right. I do need to change my trade detector bubble settings. Why is that so large? All right. Be 150 over there on the ES. And Mr. NASDAQ. Put that at 52. 50 also. All right. You see, we're still right up here in these bands on the NASDAQ. Do we get a rejection down? I like being up here away from the bands. Let's go look at the NASDAQ. We start looking at the VWAP. We got to the Dow and then we stopped. ES. Yeah, it's a little bit elevated. Nothing too crazy, though. It's a little elevated. And what about NQ? Yeah, pretty good push up on the NQ. Last time the NQ had an interaction was about 11:15 last night with the VWAP. So I have no idea what to do. So the market's job is try to confuse us so it can pick our pockets. We have a little bit of liquidity on the ES around 76.60 on the ES. Could detect a bubble right up here on the NASDAQ. How about taking a short here? How about taking a short on the NASDAQ? We have that trade detector bubble. Regression channel is sloping up, and we are right there in the deviation bands. But I want to wait for the EMAs to at least look like they're starting to weaken before I do it. Yeah, why didn't win up over 500 points in less than 30 minutes? Well, everybody got caught up on, sell. And a lot of people are still looking down for that gap to be filled. Oh, the wave indicator, it's really not it's all it is the VWAP bands. So you see the VWAP here. I got rid of the first band. I'm basically just displaying the second and third deviation bands. That's all. That way I know once we get up there. Turn the I don't have tick strike. Bookmap's market pulse. Maybe I'll take a swing here. Just give me a couple blue bars. Where is the VWAP? VWAP's all the way down there below 29,000. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to hold this that far. Just see if I can get a little slice of greatness. Yeah, Raj. Last night I was talking about. I was expecting a D-shaped profile. So let's see if we can come back in the range a little bit and then just kind of stay within that range today. But we will see. We do got news at 10 o'clock. We're on the 45 minutes mark. This game candles. No, it comes in about 10 minutes and then 5 minutes before the market opens. 26.93 on the ES. We might be able to. Hope we get a pullback before we hit that high, but anything's possible. Oh, you're talking about trade balance the news. I thought you were talking about the market on open orders. My bad. I'll trade Nano? Probably not. For that, I don't think it'd be a big enough move for me, but I won't say I won't. I don't think I will. Yeah, trade balance should not be a big mover. If we look, right there, it should be low impact. Yeah, low impact right here. Yellow folder. So I'm not too concerned with it. Watch it be a big FU candle. That'd be funny. Not really, but hasn't been doing well for USD lately. Yeah, Sammy, don't forget, it's not too late to smash that lucky like button. We're gonna make the goal 300 likes, and we're gonna do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. If you guys want a shot to win it, don't forget the little smash of the like button. Hey, Jay Loves, good morning. Yeah. I mean, Trump's definitely brought volatility to the markets. No doubt about it. We've had volatility in the markets. We've had some ups. We've had some downs. And as traders, we need the markets to move. Otherwise, the markets just stay sideways. Less opportunity for us. You know, we need the markets to move in order to make or lose any money. Oh, hey, Sods, I only finished up last night, $27. So not a good night of trading last night for me. I think I placed one other trade. I was talking to Jesse after the stream. I called him to say, hey, you all right? Make sure he was doing okay. Make sure he wasn't, down in the dumps, blowing up accounts or something stupid, but he was just busy. And then while I was on the phone with him, I ended up taking one more trade. Talked to him for a little bit, and I went to bed. Possibility of a huge move down, but we still go more up. Up. Low water mark was like down 300 and something. High water mark was, I believe it was up 900 and something. I could be wrong, but in my mind, I remember it being 900 and something. Doesn't mean I'm right. I know the low water mark was $300. I went from 900 down to 300, negative 300. Got back up to like 700 or 800, and then back red, and then I think I went back red, or maybe I just came close to being red, and that's where I stopped. I can't remember. All I know is it's like $27 when we got off stream. 800 on the SPY is looming. All right, we got this trade balance coming out here. So we have about 15 seconds. I don't think this would be a big market mover. Watch it. Take out my trade. I'll get a 9 count in the 4 hour. I mean, that would make sense just thinking about how much we've been up recently. All right, 8:30 is out. I didn't hear no chirps. I didn't hear no knocking. So, and the trade balance data should be out. There we go. So, yeah, I didn't expect any movements really out of the markets. So. $347 to $568. Oh, Raphael's going for the upward. Yeah, it's a little bit of a short squeeze. I agree. And maybe I end up losing on the trade. I like to see a fast just push down today. Just get everybody thinking again, hey, we're going down to fill those gaps, and then beep, U-turn. Let's play keep away here. I move my target way down. There we go. Now we're cooking. Let's go look at something real quick. All right, 126. I'd love to be able to take that down to 126. I don't know if I have what it takes to hold it that long. I'm going to move my stop in the money just in case. I'm just going to play keep away with this. MES trade is in the green now too. Where I piggybacked off BK. It would be a great trade if I close it out in the money. I think it's still whip up on me, so. It's working. We start pushing down one more time. I'm probably gonna put my stop right above here. Right above that swing point if we can push down. Yeah, Raphael, I probably should take it, but. All right, put my stop loss above this swing point now. I think I sit over here, but then we end up going higher, so. I don't know, man. I think I really should leave it at break even. I don't want to get out. I want to go for a bigger move. Yeah, so that's what I didn't want, but oh, it ended up being a good trade. I'll take it. I'll just take it. I'm curious. If this thing goes all the way down to 126, I'm going to be upset. I was going to try to keep pushing it down, but we'll see. It's better than holding on to it too long and watching it come back and smack me in the face. Well, let's go look at NVIDIA real quick. Yeah, NVIDIA is coming right back down. Oh, no, that's close. NVIDIA is way up here in pre-market. Yeah, NVIDIA is still up pretty good. Still feel like I got out of this a little bit too early. I feel like I should have left my stop at break even. They really want to go try to hold it down towards 126. That would have been a banger of a trade. That could have made my day right there, my whole day. Gonna make new all-time highs on the ES, probably at some point. Question is, do we go down there and fill the gap from Sunday first? Well, I have the ES up right now, 26 points. So AMD has earnings after the bell. If AMD comes out with bad earnings, we're probably going to go down quite a bit. Can't make your whole day. Hey, Saz, what's up? Hey, DJ, what's up? Keep in mind, 300 likes. We're gonna be doing a Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. So, whoop, that lucky like button. Let's get it. Yeah, earnings can be good in the stock, and stock can still have a negative reaction, 100%. Because if it's all already priced in, down she goes. Down she goes. Yeah, I agree. I love my TPT accounts as well. Hey, Tom, good morning. So I'm not feeling as bad. If we keep on crawling up, I'll be happy with the exit. I think I was in around 221. So we came all the way back up here to 217. Still think though, if this thing dumps down, I'm gonna be upset. I could have had the bigger move. I could have made the whole day one trade. Hey, Tor Dork, what's up? What's up? Trade the Pro Plus. Oh, Pro Plus development. Yeah, that's what Jesse's in right now too. I don't know if I'll ever get put in that because I don't have big swings in the account. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, easy up, easy down. All right, trade detect the bubble right here. Are we gonna push back through it? All right, yeah, still hanging out up here as well. We have oil down $2.45. Raphael, well, I'm never going to get the big move if I keep taking profits. That's the problem. Hey, Troops, I don't know. I don't think that's true though. I mean, a lot of times it'll happen, but I know somebody else that recently blew up their live account with TPT. They didn't get moved to development. They went on to pass another account and they went right back through the process again. Oh, we're just kind of hanging out here. I'm curious, how much should I make on that trade? All right. All right, now I'm feeling a little bit better that I'm out. Because I would have got dinged out probably. I would have got dinged out for break even, so I am glad that I took it. Elucid Daily, do you know? No, hey, on the daily. Let's go look it up real quick. I haven't traded the Lucid Daily account yet. I still have my Flex accounts, but Lucid Daily payouts. Yeah, it's profits over the buffer. I thought it was over the buffer. So 50K account, you have to be over $52,100. Then you can take out anything over that. So anything over the buffer, the max you can take out per day is gonna be 8,000. $250 left in your rapid. Hey, just trade it like you normally would. Maybe a little bit less size. See if you can build up a little bit of a buffer. Look, yes, or NASDAQ's trying to push back up here. We have some FVGs down below us. We'll see if we can go down there and take that out. We have news at 10 o'clock this morning. We'll see if Jolts will have what it takes to move the markets. Yeah. And we're at 51 on the fear and greed index. So now we're closer to greed than we are to fear by one tick. One itty bitty little tick. Yes, is a short below 76.55. Let's see, can they get it? Daily Bollinger Bands. Yep, I actually showed, I got a video coming out at 12 o'clock that shows which, how to find out what a red folder item is. You'd think it'd be easy, just go to a new source and go right here to counter and be like, oh, red folder, but look, this is actually orange over here. If we look on, which I don't think you have to be out for the Lucid. I don't think you have to be out. But then you go over to like financial juice. So if you look on financial juice, oops, right over here. What is going on here? What's going on now? All right, right here. Look, they have it as red. Oh no, that just means super fast release, but it is red. It's red, not orange. So it's red over here, but then it's orange over here. So which one do you listen to if you're trading the new Lucid Daily account? So the video I have coming out today addresses that very issue. And I'm going to go double check real quick. I think you can trade it. Let's just double check. I'm going to log into Lucid and just double check real quick. Maybe. Lucid's website's not going to come up now. I thought it was anyways. Bunch of people must be trying to buy accounts right now because I can't get the website to come up. Can anybody else get in the Lucid's website? I can't get in, just keeps spinning. Come on, 50-day moving average. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, we're actually right between the 20 and the 50-day moving average as we speak. And you see right here, the 20 is below the 50, but everything's still above the 200 for the time being. So 50 is a little bit higher up on what I got anyways. Here around 655 ish, 654, somewhere in that ballpark. So if we are going to come down and keep going down, that would be a logical area where we pull back from. But again, we'll have to wait and see. Bitcoin this morning up 401. What about gold? What is gold doing? Gold's had a nice little pop up. Its record of 27 million contracts. Wow. And we might. I'd like to see a quick little pullback first. Like, not necessarily go all the way down and fill the gap. Just get a fast enough reaction where people are like, oh, the gap's going to get filled. And then whoop. Oh, it's read on my FX book. Yeah, I don't think it is in Lucid. I just can't get in Lucid's thing to check it. So actually, you know what? Let me go watch my video real quick. So I looked at it to see what we have for the rest of the week. So I'll tell you real quick. Lucid Trading just can't stand my voice. All right. Let's see. The video will be dropping here later today. Better smack it down here a little bit. Let's go. So Tuesday. No, hey, Lucid, you can trade it. You can trade it in Lucid. I went and checked my video. I had to check my video. You can trade it. Now, I don't have any TradeFi giveaways. I've never had any TradeFi accounts. Maybe it's probably because enough people don't use my code for TradeFi. I'd love to give away some TradeFi accounts. I like the TradeFi accounts myself. All right, come on, keep on pushing down. Still got that micro on. Piggybacked. I think it's off BK's trade. We'll see if we can get this little bad boy going on down there. Again, try and play out the VWAP bands down towards the VWAP. So on the ES, coming off the VWAP bands right up here, trying to play down towards the VWAP. So can we get down there, please, and thank you. Hey, troops, you don't have to, you can spoil it. It's all good. I was gonna log in and show people. I just can't get into Lucid's website. It's just spinning. I can't get in. Maybe you guys can. Can you guys get in Lucid? I can't get in right now. Hey, Mike, what's up? Yeah, it's funny. Hey, Message Exchange. Oh, that's funny. You can't get in either. All right, so it's not just me. Perfect. Oh, in that mobile app. See, I don't even have the mobile app yet. I never downloaded it. I probably should. Let me go download the mobile app. All right, I'm going to go download it. I don't know why I haven't downloaded it. Slacker. Let's see. Mr. Mobile. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. And I don't know if it's truly people buying less accounts. I don't know. Hey, Sinister Scalper, what's up? What's up? All right, Lucid Trading app. Let's go looky. Open. Take a look at Lucid's app. What'd you say? Wrong password. Hey, I can't sign in with the app either. Oh. The app's just stuck on signing in. So I can't get in with the app either. So. All right, let's see. Can we just keep on pushing down, please and thank you? No, I haven't talked about the CME Nano contract. I wonder what their position size limits will be. I don't know. I mean, you're not going to make much on the Nano contract. I wouldn't think. So I had a pretty good trade. I wish I was still in that short, but that's all good. Again, we were talking about that earlier as well. Coming back towards the developing value area high, which has moved up here a little bit. Then we'll see if we can come down towards that point of control. We've had a pretty good push up last night, so I would favor a little bit of a pullback this morning, but we'll see if we get it. IBM's crazy undervalued. Yeah, let's see how many points or how much per tick they're going to be. Yeah, so look, they're going to have it on the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, Dow. Hey, so it'll be 50 cents a tick on the S&P. NASDAQ will be 20 cents a tick. Which does give people access to the markets, but it'd be kind of nuts. DP at 186. I don't know. I think we still want to come down here a little bit. If we look at the 4 hour, I do want to see this 313 hit, but at the same time, I want to see a pullback so that maybe we can form another ABC pattern on the way up, right? Here would be the starting point. Impulse move up, retracement, and then get the push out. So I'm hoping to maybe catch some of this retracement and not get ran right over. in the meantime. So we'll see. Yeah, don't forget to smash that lucky like button, 300 likes, and we're gonna do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. So just boop. One tick. Hey Paul, we got change the name to the One Tick Wonder. One Tick Wonder. Sports equipment deep in some nanos. I wonder how the volume's gonna probably be light at first. We'll see how long it takes to start getting some real volume up there or in it. So yes, it had a nice little turn, trying to come off that VWAP band just like the NASDAQ. We'll see if we can just get a push at the open. We got about 24 minutes until the open. Ooh, speaking of. All right, will we get a pop or drop at the open? I mean, the first 1 minute candle, will it be green or red on the NASDAQ? What's it gonna be? Hey, good morning. I don't know. I mean, if everybody's thinking that gap's gonna be filled, we may not. What I'd love to see today, get a quick push down, get everybody thinking, oh, we're gonna go down for the gap, and then whoop, right back up. That's what I'd love to see, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. We might just keep grinding up all day. Vicente was saying we may have a deal by tomorrow. So we might have a deal by tomorrow to open up the straights. Yeah, I'm sure when you think about it, commissions will be higher, just like with the micros. If you trade 10 micros versus one mini, it's way cheaper to trade the mini versus, in commissions. But what you do get is you get the flexibility to be able to scale in. Lie more than they tell the truth. Yeah, but regardless if it's true or not, just the hope of it, the market will probably, keep trying to go up. They keep talking about, oh, we're gonna have a deal. We're gonna have a deal. We're gonna have a deal. Weekend comes late Friday. We're gonna take them off the map, push them back to the Stone Age. So for me so far in pre-market, only 2 trades. One was on the NQ, was a decent trade, 13 points or so. And then the MES, which I'm still in. Trying to write it down. I'm trying to front run the VWAP. So yeah, call it hopium. Now I'm still not back at session highs from last night. You think down at the open? Yeah, usually when we do have a cluster of gamma DeBoss, it will act as a magnet attracting price up there. Or down there if it's a cluster below us. But then before we get all the way into it, a lot of times we'll reject down. If we get over it, so if we get over that cluster of gamma, those of you who don't know what we're talking about, let me pull up the chart. But if we come right over here, I got this ES trade I'm kind of trying to watch. We see this cluster of all this gamma. If we get above it, we're probably going to really rock it on the way up. If we get above all this, they're going to have to then start buying with it. So it could get pretty dicey for them. Cause some big moves. NASDAQ still has not made it all the way down there yet. If we were to open right here, right now, we'd have some decent sized gaps in the market. Especially if you look at the Dow. Dow might actually be at all-time highs. Let's just go look on the ETF real quick. Not quite. Pretty. Oh, yeah, we are. Pre-market. It's already there. Look. Here is all-time highs. We're now above it. What about YM? The futures market. Futures markets, Dow already making new all-time highs. So you know what that means? We're probably going to be back on all-time highs here shortly. Just saying. Question is, do we come down and get the gaps from Sunday night or not? So just like that, new all-time highs again. Oh. Yeah, crazy. Craziness. Crazy cray. Little cray cray. NASDAQ's trying to squeeze back up again. We're getting back above these regression channels here. It is top of the hour, so we got about 28 minutes until the market opens. We'll bring over the market on open orders. We get about 10 minutes into before the bell. Oh, good looking out, Chris. 300 people watching. Only 130 likes. Smash that like button. 300. We get 300 likes today on stream. We're going to be giving away a Take Profit Trader account. So if you want a chance to win, you know what to do. Smash that lucky like button. So I want to see this MES go down there and hit my target, Joker. I'm thinking about getting rid of my targets and see if we get close to the open and it hasn't hit my targets. I'm going to get rid of my targets just in case we get I don't think it'll happen, but just in case we get a fast flush at the open. We have some liquidity up here at 660 on the NASDAQ, on the ES. That would be enough to push us above the highs. You have a 9 count down here as well. NASDAQ, I don't see any 9 counts on the NASDAQ. Neo still longing. You're afraid to buy? I can't be scared. Hang on. There we go. I will say that new version of Ninja seems pretty stable. I'm really liking it. So if you're on Ninja and you don't know if you should download it or not, I'm really liking it. Our charts load way faster. Everything feels a lot snappier. SPY all-time highs. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think SPY's at all-time highs. Let's see though. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, SPY's almost there. It might have been earlier. SPY probably was a little bit earlier. It's almost there right now. Just slightly below it. All-time high was 76.40. And we're trading at 760. I'm sorry. 760.40 was the high. We're trading at 760.10. So we're only 30 cents below it at the moment. We know the SPY was up higher in pre-market, so a little bit earlier or so. Yeah, hey, the FEG indicator no longer disappears every time you click on the chart. It just stays there now. It's pretty nice. Liking that. about extreme, but I'd like to see a pullback minimum to the VWAP. But if you look at the volume profile, right, kind of a D-shaped profile-ish, but we have some low volume nodes, which we're trying to fill in right here. We got another one down here at about 76.40. I like that too. Then beyond that, look at yesterday's volume profile. And I really like this area right here, 76.20, and then this high volume node, 76.12. I love it, love it, love it, love it. To see a quick flush down there and then just rip up. Yeah, everybody thinking, oh, I knew we're gonna come down, fill that gap from Sunday, and then whoop, right back up. And get everybody caught off sides. So we'll see. If we made it down there, that'd be pretty beast if I could participate in some of that move. Well, if you look at the 1 day max, let's see what the 1 day max is. So we have call resistance right up here. See if we do get above it. We pulled the stat for that here, actually. Let's look. No, stop. Siri got quit listening to me. All right, let's see. Where'd that chart go? If we go to summary. So we look at the call resistance. You got call resistance and the 0 DT call resistance, basically. Let's go look. If we break it, what is the average move on the NASDAQ if we break it? All right, it only holds 65% of the time. On average, if we break it, we go up another 249 points. What about normal call resistance? On average, when we break it, it's going to be about 231 points. So let's just map that out real quick. 231 points above that. What price point does that put us at? That put us somewhere around 477. If we look over here on the 4-hour chart, 477 would be enough to take out this point of control right here and kind of get in the middle between these two untested point of controls. We do have the 1 day max up here as well at 319. And what about on the ES? Yes, we did get above that call resistance. We have the 1 day max up here at 76.94. So let's go back and look at the ES real quick. We might be getting ready to run a little bit more. Let's go looky. All right, so when we break the 0 DTE call resistance, we usually go up another 33 points. Normal call resistance, we usually go up 28 points. So since they're both, I think, in the same area, we're going to go with the smaller of the two. And let's just go look. Where would be 28 points above that? It'd be here somewhere around 79. Somewhere around 79 on that. So we'll see if we make it up there or not. We're clearly above it right now, so let's see if that stat holds true today or not. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Gold gave a nice trade. Yeah, gold's up 30 right now. Market is trying to push on up. Yeah, 94.75 all-time highs. Might be easier for me to see this on. All the volume profile is getting all cluttered up. That's weird. Hey, so the way Thinkorswim merges the volume or the days, it has the S&P at all-time highs right now. Interesting. Looking at trading it. Hey, Raj, I used to trade gold every day for a long time. And so Ninja Trader has the profile merged a little bit differently. Let's go look at how TradingView has it. Yes. Yeah, see, they have it a little bit further away. So Thinkorswim has it right up here at the highs. So when we had the SPX open today, SPX is probably going to open at new all-time highs. We already have the Dow futures and the ETF all-time highs. See Dow futures all-time highs. What about RTY? How far away is that? A little ways away. NQ, a little ways away. So, yeah. Basically flat on my micro trades here at the moment. Yeah, VIX dropping. I would expect the VIX to be down today, given the fact that our markets are up the way they are. VIX is down 29 cents. But we got to be careful. VIX down at these levels. It's an area where we can see quick volatility spike at any moment. We do have news coming out at 10 o'clock. So. Let's see. If you guys want to vote in the poll, pop or drop at the open, what's it going to be? Is we get a pop? Is we get a drop? And don't forget to smash that like button. Again, 300 likes. We'll be doing that Take Profit Trader Count giveaway. See who's got the fastest duck out there. News at 10 is going to be Jolt's job openings. Come on. Get up there. So if we look right here at 10, we get Jolt's coming out. So we shall see. No, hey, I was targeting VWAP on the MES. On the MES. Yeah, I can't get into Lucid right now, King. Can't get in. The mobile app or, you know, logging in. Yeah, let's trade for the data. Yeah, they only pay for data for one exchange. Where the most common exchange that you trade, they pay for data on that. It's like that if you have a live account though too. If you have a personal account, you have to subscribe to the data to be able to trade it. 76.43. Well, I'm probably gonna remove my targets. Just ain't right. So I was gonna target right down here. When I initially put the trade on, the VWAP was at 40, and I was trying to get out about 44. But I'm probably gonna move these targets just in case we get a fast dip down at the open. I don't think it's gonna happen, but just in case. You see my targets are still out there. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel those targets out. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel them out as we speak right now. All right, targets are gone. They are no longer up there. Yeah, open's a great green day. Last night I struggled a little bit on stream. I was up about $900. I was like, ooh, I might be able to get up 1K. And then I went red. Got back green. I think I went red again. I finished up the night $27. So. Yeah, hey, the boss, you're talking about real-time session hours, but when I look at the entire volume profile, on the ES, I really like right here. I'd like to see a dip down to it, but we keep ripping up right now. And same thing on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, I really like this area right there, but we just keep on ripping up. I don't even have my pivots on these charts yet. So they just keep on grinding up a little bit. Hurry up and wait. So again, we had that large gaping gap down below us. We'll see if we make it back down to fill it or not. Maybe, maybe not. Looks like we have about 14 minutes until the open, until all the funness starts. TP in here, nice. Again, don't be surprised that I just rip it. You guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. And normally the pops are winning by quite a bit. It looks like you guys have it pretty tied right now. Might get a slow grind up again, but you know, the first day I feel a little bit better about going with the grind versus after yesterday just going up and up and up and up, no really pullbacks, you know. Oh, the gap level. Close the gap on the ES, you have to come all the way down here to 7503.50. On the NASDAQ, you have to come all the way down here to 28,002. Oops. 28,287. So quite a ways down there. Trying to chirp it up here at the moment. No, hey, King, I don't drink coffee. I don't drink any coffee. I know, crazy, right? No, I don't think we're going to fill the gap today either. But if we start coming down, if they can get a quick flush, get people thinking, oh, crap, we're going to go ahead and get down there. Yeah, you can trade jolts on Apex, TPT, even Lucid. Yeah, there's still gaps that have never been filled. And if we don't fill the gap by Thursday's close at 5 p.m., it'll probably be at least a couple weeks before we come back and visit that level. So that would mean more upside. Go hit 126 today. Let's get it. So I removed my targets on the MES just in case we get a quick spike, you know, early on this morning. And they try to push it, drive it down. I want to be able to participate with a little bit more of that. So maybe I'll end up being a bad move. I can always hit the close button. So no trade day for you. See, that's crazy when people say no trade day, because I trade every single day the market's open, every day. I gotta place at least one trade. So like if I knew I was gonna, let's say, be on the road and I couldn't trade today, I would at least place the trade last night so that I feel like I participated and had the ability to accept some of the opportunities the markets were giving me. Or we're displaying. I was going to try to take some of it, but sometimes I wish I just wouldn't have traded when I do that. Like probably the longest break I ever had from the market was a trip down in Costa Rica. I was stuck in a trade too. Internet went out. Power went out in the whole town, actually. And then we left And we went all the way down to Pavone's, which was 6 hours away, and there was nothing down there. No internet, no nothing. Let's see. We got more news out. All right. I bet you we do. Let's see financial juice. We got more deals coming. Let's go look at oil real quick. I don't see the news yet. I got a feeling it has to do with some type of deal. Hormuz Straits, something. Oil's trying to come down on that. Not hugely, but. They're just trying to catch everybody off sides. I don't see it. So if we look at the market on open orders real quick. We look at the initial market on open orders. Wow, that's huge here. 1.9 million to the buy side on the S&P. NASDAQ doesn't move till we get about 5 minutes in. And Dow, 7 million to the buy side. Anybody see any news on that rip? Anybody see any news on the rip? I don't know. Oil went down with it. I think we're hearing something about Middle East, Trump, something. Ford vehicle sales. I don't think it could be that. Announcement is expected regarding the reopening of the Straits of Hormuz, a high-ranking source told the news agency. I told you it had something to do with the Middle East. I just felt it by the way the market moved. You could feel it. So. Hey, have we been going up on buy the rumor, sell the news? Buy the rumor. We're going to get it open. The Straits are going to open. Straits are open. Boom. Stocks go down. We're going to get another major announcement. We're going to blow them off the map. Oh, boy. Yeah, AMD will be fun to trade today. Maybe. So, just like that. Quick little blip and then pew, right back down. That's why I wanted to check oil before we saw the news. Was oil moving with it? See, oil right now is trying to take out that low. Yeah, potential reopening of the Straits. Looks highly credible. What could go wrong? Yeah, Straits are open. Boom. Another one gets taken out. Communications are underway at full tilt. And progress has been made regarding the Straits of Hormuz. Full tilt. Oh boy. They're throwing everything at it. They're full tilt and they're going to go full port on it. If it doesn't work. Yeah, they're saying it might be open. Not that it's going to be open, but hey, it might be. They just had to clean up some they had to clean up some of these stop loss orders real quick above the session high. Clean those up, take them, and then down she goes. Now I'm not gonna be placing any trades until the opening bell now. Still got the micros on, down $30 in it. So we'll see. How high did I take the NASDAQ on that spike? Ooh, we got close to that point of control up here at 313. We didn't make it, but we got to 282. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close down the poll. Wow, this is usually the poll is overwhelmingly to the bull side. All right, it looks like 50-50 today. 50-50. All those news tweets give you a headache. Yeah. You and everybody else. So if you're along, you love that news that just came out. So Basent had news out earlier talking about a deal could be done soon. Now we have another source. Hey, Manuel, good morning. Yeah, war in a war, who knows? So we have the markets opening here in about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm going to hold off myself. A lot of trade detector bubbles up there. I'm going to hold off to at least the opening bell. Getting right back into VWAP bands again. I do think at some point this morning we'll probably see the NASDAQ flip back down and at least touch the VWAP at some point, which is like over 200 points away from where we're currently at. Yeah, CL at new daily low, which, you know, oil being down lower is good for us. Us, the consumer. Yeah, oil broke us, slightly broke the low a little bit. Down 5% at the moment. Yeah, news is the Straits of Hormuz may be open. An announcement is imminent. Actually, it's an announcement of arrangements for the full reopening of the Straits of Hormuz may be within hours or tomorrow. So they're going to string us along. Maybe within hours or by tomorrow. So we almost have a deal, but we don't have a deal. Oh boy. So will that be enough to keep the market at bay and keep the market elevated? Let's go look at one last time. Market on open orders. NASDAQ's now moving, but look, SP 4.6 million buy side. NASDAQ 16.9. Dow 38 million buy side. All right, let's go. Option flow so far this morning is not all that strong. Oh, you got Japan. No, that's all about the Straits. The pump this morning has been about the Straits. Yeah, tomorrow Iran attacks some ships. Probably. Nah, they're just going to be firing fireworks. Just celebrations. They'll be celebrating the Straits reopening. Letting off some fireworks. So the fireworks may just go rogue, though. It may have a louder boom than normal fireworks. Dow's up 722. I mean, it's going to be some big gaps. Which, what do we have? We got seconds. So we have 18 seconds until the open. Let's see how the first 1 minute candle is going to shake out. Again, half the track could be right, half the track will be wrong. There is no majority today. All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. Let's see. What's it going to be? Push up, push down, push all around. Let's get it. Well, no, hey, the U.S. is helping them not have to sell bonds. So U.S. is trying to support the yen. Are we getting a little ripper up here? A little rip. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, 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 push. Yeah, news right before the open. Hey, don't worry about it. There's no manipulations. They've already told us there's no such thing as market manipulation. Does not exist. NASDAQ news session highs. And look what we got. Look at it. Look at it. We get that point of control. Oh, did we not? Oh, we did not yet. I thought I looked up. I seen 411. It's 311. All right, so we got another 2 points higher. We'll be able to take out that point of control. Let's get it. Hey, Spaces, good morning. I'm going to want to smack this. I'm going to want to smack it. Right back at the deviation bands again. New session highs. New highs. New highs on the ES as well. Crap, move it. Yeah, you got me. Dog hit my target before I can move it. Joker. Yes, it's ripping up pretty good. We did get that point of control at 313. We got it. I mean, I didn't get it, but the market got it. Where's the oil at? Yeah, oil's down $4. Come on down. You can do it. ES is up 40 points at the moment. We kind of FOMO'd in some of this shit. This stuff. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Not that way. Let's go look at something real quick. So if we look at diamonds, look at the big gap on the diamonds. Look, 2 days, back-to-back gaps. IWM, Russell, big gap. Q's, big gap. SPY, up 0.54, big gap up. RSP. RSP is barely up. RSP is barely up. Oh boy. Yeah, boy. And look, we did get our target right here on the NASDAQ, that 313. I say our target. I didn't target it, but that was the target. I took another shot. I'm going to eat my lunch on this. It's going to put me red on the day, which I started the stream off. I ended the stream last night up 27. I started the stream this morning up 100, 200 bucks, something like that. I don't know. I still think we're going to hit the view app at some point today. My fear is, though, I'm in a short. They come out and they actually announce the straits are reopened. That would be a problem for me. That would be a big problem. Reversal at 950. Hopefully get a little reversal right here. Well, I want my monies back. How dare they take my monies like that? They got me stopped out, so 180. I don't know if I want to go for that bigger. Huh. I'm just trying to get a target location for a runner. 287. All right. All right, I did get stopped out of that last trade. Puts me down at 247 on the day. I'm going to take another swing at this. I got stopped out. I got stopped out already. So it puts me down 447. ES is up 42 points. Let's get one more shot. I'm going to get one more shot here. Who am I lying? I'll probably take more than one shot if I get stopped out. But maybe this will be the lucky time. You see we're well into the deviation bands up here. I should let the market calm down for a few moments, but it's feeling a little froggy trying to get back to the high water mark of last night. And yeah, created a little bit of issues. Stupid market. Stupid market. They're gonna stop me out. We're spending way too much time up here. I really like to get a move all the way down to 287, but I doubt I can hold that, even if we were to go down there. Hey, now we're cooking. Come on. Hey, we have a structure breakout point right here as well. Let's go ahead and map this out. Candle wick to candle body. That's about 281 as well. I think I might try to hold this. Come on down there, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. So I like this area all the way down here. Now I'm already starting to twitch here a little bit. Just been a little bit more patient before I jumped in. Come on. Don't you do it. Don't you go back up there. You son of a. Should have took it. That's why you don't get greedy. You didn't short yet? Smart man. Yeah, I saw a 9 count pop up too. I do think we're going to try to come down there. Might be a good micro trade actually. But I'm already deep in this NASDAQ. I don't want to put up more risk. Come on. Come on. I never doubted you, Mr. Market. Please and thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Short term, we're getting to be oversold. You see green background. I want a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's take it. No, I didn't move my stop in the money. I know. I did not. Probably gonna kick myself for this one. Well, it's down $4.34, down 5.41%. Come on, get back down there. If it gets back down this low right here, I might just kill it. I should have taken it. That's what you get. Get greedy in. That's what happens. Yeah. Let a big win turn into a loss. That's not good. He got me out, and I was gonna go down there, you stupid son of a beep. Couldn't move my target quick enough. Got a little 5 points. I was gonna try to move my target down, go for another swing at this. Sugar literally went up there, stopped me out, and then now it's gonna go down. Or maybe not. All right, back up to session highs again. Targets. Yeah, yes, close to all-time highs. Probably gonna get it. We're that close. Probably gonna get it. Let's go look at the SPY and stuff real quick. SPY in the cash market, SPX. Look at first. Cash market is above all-time highs. SPY also all-time highs. So I did short this again. Shorted it again. And sometimes going for these big moves causes me some headaches. I don't know why I like that dopamine hit so much. Dang it. All right, now it's official. We do have a stupid market. Is the VIX up? I don't know. Let's go look. I know it's not up. That would be my account. Yeah, VIX is up 2 cents. Yeah, VIX is going up. As the market's going up. Fantastic. All right, took another short. Got stopped out. Fantastic. Yes, he's ripping pretty good too. Hey, so remember on the NASDAQ what we talked about? What did I tell you guys? 440 what when we break that level? Remember when we break the call resistance? Right here, 477. We're almost there. That's the average move once we break that. And look, we're almost there. Fantastic. All right, I'm short again. Short again. So I need a big move here. I need a ginormous move. I feel better if my stop was above the daily high, but I don't want to move it. I want to put on more risk. If I move it up there, I'll go up there and gladly take it. Yeah, yes, pushing up. Everything's in the push. Oh, that really stinks too. That one trade is up $800-900 on. Let it stop me out. I really wish I could get that one back. Wish I could get that one back. That could change what the P&L looks like drastically. Like I said, the deal could be out in a couple hours to maybe even tomorrow. But don't worry, there's a deal coming. One way or the other. Just ask them. Remember, it was just a few months back. Oh, we almost have a deal. We'll have a deal by Saturday, then Sunday, then Monday, then we don't have a deal. We can't negotiate with these people. All right, we're getting smacked down pretty good here. I need more of a smackdown just to get back to even. I'll get. You gotta be effing kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. All right, I gotta calm down here. I gotta calm down. Because now the market's getting on my nerves. Huh. Yeah, they're definitely buying it up. Not too happy with these people. Not too happy with them. That's two trades that was up several $100. I let it stop me out for a loss. So look at the ES on the 4-hour chart. What does that look like? We do have a point of control up here at 76.86. Hmm. We've almost got the 477 print. The average move once we push past that level. I'm debating on taking another swing, but it's coming down too much right now. Hmm. I just took a quick little scalp. Trying to move the target. Only got 5 points. I'm in it again. No, let me move my target. Let me move my target. Let me move it. I'm trying to move my target away. So I got one for a quick 5-point target. I was trying to be in the same trade, but hit my 5-point target. And I was trying to move this down, trying for that big move. Still trying for the big move. We'll see if I can finally get it right. Remember, 300 likes. We'll do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. I want this loss to get much bigger. I don't really like where I'm at either. Kind of FOMO'd into this trade. But I hit the first one, hit my target. I was like, ah, dang it. I smacked it again because I didn't want to. I was trying to move my target down, but it got me out too quick. And now I'm in a worse spot. Yeah, market cray cray. And I don't like trading around all-time highs in the market typically. That got me. Those markets are ripper. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, Sam. VIX is going up with it. VIX up 18 cents. But we're up at all-time, almost at all-time highs. The cash market's at all-time highs, at least for the S&P. All right. F it. I'm short again. I do like that. SPY is ripping. All right. I need a huge move here. I need a ginormous move. Fluxes, man. If I could have took something, some type of profit off. The news was we could have a deal any minute or tomorrow. The next couple hours or tomorrow, we should know about a deal. To open up. It's gonna open it up like you've never seen it open before. What a day already. It's only 9:49. Oh boy. Gotta love it. I'm not really enjoying this morning. These it's still ripping. Oh yeah, jolts at 10. They got this market screaming to the upside. So we hit that 477 we talked about when we mapped it out for the average move. So now do we maybe start coming down? Target shorted again, got 5 friggin' points. I want to move that target. I guess that's better than what I've been doing. I need to bounce back up so I can short it again. I was trying to move my target, it just didn't let me move it quick enough. All right, I'm back in. I got my target out of the way real quick. When I get mad at the 5-point moves, that should be what I'm doing. Because almost every trade I've got stopped out on, I've been up at least 5 points. Maybe not all of them, but majority of them. That one I wasn't. I might have a little mini tilt session coming up. I feel it. I feel it coming. Oh. That sucks. Gay instead of the straight. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm in it. I feel it. I feel it. Feel smash button mic wanting to come on. And that's bad. Bad things happen when that happens. Let's double check this. Get that out of the way for a time. Still like this. Still like this area. The market's just not participating with me. 352. Just not participating. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. We need 100 more likes. 300 likes total. We'll do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. I might have to put myself in the duck race. Oh, man. Dude, this trade I've definitely been up more than 100 bucks on. More than 5 points. Man, it's so frustrating. Yeah, I know the VIX is not helping my case whatsoever. So I'm wanting to fade the market. And the VIX is just giving me more reasons to want to fade this. So the VIX is not doing me any justice at the moment. Yeah, somebody's lying. But regardless who's lying, it's not helping my P&L one bit. I put myself in the duck race. Woo! I should chip away at it. 200 bucks, 200 bucks, 200 bucks. Even 300 bucks. I'm kind of curious. What is RSP doing versus the SPY? RSP is up 0.73. All right, it's not doing too bad. SPY is up 0.73. Let me see. RSP. No, RSP is only up 0.16. RSP is up 0.16. I'm going to type in SPY for both. All right. So RSP is not jiving with it. We do have news coming out here in 5.5 minutes, probably. Jolt's numbers will probably be just enough to jolt the market right to my stop loss. ES is still ripping. ES is just ripping on up. A lot of trade detector bubbles. The market's not caring whatsoever about it. Come on. Push it down. Please. This is being cooked. Hey, they got some good chefs. They have some good chefs out there. Come on down. Let's see how far away from this. Let's see how ridiculous. Look at the VWAP. All the way down here at 180. We're 300 points away from the VWAP. 300 points. Golly. Let's see if we can come on down there. No shorts for you until December. Hey, David, don't worry. I got them all for you. You can see all the headache I'm going through right now. It would be funny now. We go all the way down and fill the gaps from Sunday. That would be funny. Watch it. I'll get what I think is a big trade, and then we'll just accelerate past it once I'm out. All right, here's going to be the third trade I've been up $700 or more on. All the other ones failed. Ended up being a loss. I'm up almost 1,000 on this one. There we go. 1,000. Let's get it. Let's get it. Got news coming out in 4 minutes too. Oh man, I need more. At least go down to 410. Then maybe I'll get out. Come on. Yeah, I'm thinking about taking it. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. That chops away at a lot of that loss. Chopped away at a lot of the loss. So I gotta take it. I gotta take it. We got news coming out. I was starting to get the itch, like, oh, news is gonna come out. So we have the VWAP all the way down here at 180 though. So look, a lot of paper cuts. I got back a lot of those paper cuts in that one trade. A lot of paper cuts recovered in one trade. This is not the morning I wanted. I was thinking, oh, last night was a little bit difficult for me. Today will be much better. Not really. Not really. Not yet. Yeah, taking small losses does pay off. As long as you get the big win. You gotta be able to accompany that with a big win. And that's the thing. You don't know how many losses or how many paper cuts you're going to take before you get a win. If it wasn't for that news, I really wanted to go lower. I really like the structure breakout point right down here as well. I love that zone. Just not the time yet. Not the time yet. No, I shouldn't be on mute. Let's see. Sound check, 1, 2. Sound check. How am I sounding? I sound fine. All right, perfect. I read the news out here in about 2 minutes. I'm waiting for the news. I'm itching though. I'm like, gotta get it back. I gotta get it back. Oh man. We got plenty of time left though. Plenty of time. Let's not try to rush it. You gotta calm down here a little bit. We have jolts out in about 1 minute. 1 minute. I gotta work on how am I gonna get, at least I'm only down 400 right now. A lot of my trades I was up over $400 in. I'm kind of curious, what price did I get out at? And how much lower did we go? Hey, believe it or not, we didn't go much lower than where I got out at. It was actually a clean exit so far. Is this the ABC pattern on the daily chart? Going to 35K. We might. Could happen. I think some ebbs and flows in the meantime. Let's go look at the jolts data. Let's see. All right, jolts came in at 7.35. 7.359. Forecasted 7.44. And believe it or not, we didn't get much reaction to the news. I don't have it up here. Factory orders, negative 0.3. That's not good. But again, low impact. Already seen the jolts. So. All right, do I take another little swing here? Not yet. I was getting ready to. I was like, yeah, news already out. Let's see. You can see it on financial juice, but let's see. Forex Factory has it out now. 7.36. 386 on your TP. Let's go. Let's see. Dang it. Got me. Hey, yes, making new session highs. Yes, going on up. New session highs. Keeps plowing up higher. Stupid market. Well, paper cut it all back away again. Let's look something quick. Buy is up 0.82. RSP is only up 0.26. And then we have the VIX. VIX up 14 cents. Hey, Brad, good morning. Not really good morning for me. I'm not doing so hot. Had a big trade, but man, I was up big on a couple trades. I didn't take it. Did not take the gains. Let it come back and get me. I'm really fighting it, man. I got the urge. I got to get it back. I got the sickness right now. All I've been doing is freaking fighting the markets instead of going with it. Yes, 3.5 points away from all-time highs. Probably gonna get that. If you look over there, the options flow isn't really that bullish though. Bring it over here in a second. Could have got 10 points on that trade. I'm like, nah, I need more. So we look at the options flow real quick. You see the line, it ran up, trying to pull it back down here a little bit. Price is still ripping though. So price like, we don't care what the options market's doing. We still going higher. Might end up with a big fat red day today. That's not good because normally I don't have medium-sized down days. It's either small or really big. It's shaping up to be a freaking doozer. Yeah, maybe later this week. You're probably right on that. After they announced that the straits have been reopened. But in the meantime, I'm caught up in the mix. So. Right here, near session highs. All right, I'm short again. Short again. We'll see if they're going to go up there and get me again. Still got a view app way down here, just above 200. We are miles above it. All right, look at the Dow too. I just saw that. Look at YM. YM's pulled off the high a little bit. RTY still going up. Dang it. Yeah, tech hedge funds got blown out. I really think this. Now, where's that second point of control at? 677. We're gonna make it all the way up there. So look, what is it? Tuesday? We've already had 1,100 point range already for the week. And it's really bigger than that if you include the gap. If you think about it. If you include the gap, it's already been bigger than that. Interesting. Yeah. Did that put the ES at? I think ES just made new all-time highs. Hey, good for you, Mr. ES. Good for you. Good boy. Let's go see. Yes. What's the prior all-time high? So 94.50. And we're at 95.50 right now. So ES at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs and the VIX is up 33 cents. RSP is up 0.21%. We're trying to squeeze out everybody. They're trying to squeeze them. Oh, nice, King. Good job. So you're one of the ones that took my lunch money. All right. I'm watching you. Pretty big move. We got 9 count up here too. 9 count on the NASDAQ. Come on. Just push it. Let's just get out. Get out before it takes out the eye again and rips. I don't know. We pushed pretty far away from that gap on Sunday night now. We are way far away from it. Like, we're not even close. Oh boy. Let's see. Yeah, today's a little bit more violent on the push up, I feel like. But today's push up is a little bit more violent in the markets. I still like this area right here. I still like it. And we're just not getting any pullback yet. I think at some point we do come down and visit that. Now that little low volume node is about 345. 345, if I could hold the current trade all the way down there, oof, that'd make for a good day. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. I'm fighting it. It's not working out in my favor. So Hmm. Yeah, the Fed. Yep, the deal. Yeah, so oil down, just hit 75. 75, oh, it was. That's 76 now. I probably should have took that $200 before it goes up there and stops me freaking out again. Yeah, I don't know that VWAP. I don't think they're friends right now. Look how far away we are. There's VWAP. There's price. They are miles apart. Just trade like crap today. Trade like crap last night. Trade like crap this morning. I feel I'm going to end up with a red day today. Only question is, how red is it going to be? How red of a day will it be? We're not back at session lows. Yeah, you win, you lose. I gotta lose. Yeah, we hit this third standard deviation. Now look, the VWAP bands are going up so steep. We got out of the bands. Bands are way up here. Here's the second deviation band, but you see just the angle of which they're going up. Craziness. How much did the NASDAQ up? 650 points. What's the range today? 707 point range. Oh, let's hit it again. Short it again. I want to make sure I can put all the market makers' kids through college. It's my goal today. Can I put them all through college? Make sure you got enough food on the table, and they're gonna pull back at some point. Probably the moment I give up. Oops, I did it again. You're long somehow it wicked you out. Man, ES just keeps going up. ES about hit 7,700. We're right there at it. Yeah, at the moment where a lot of people give up. Yeah. Well, hopefully it's about right now. I could use a nice big fat win right now to kind of chip away at some of this loss. Yes, it's still going up as well. Yes, had a real strong push today. Look at it. That's a pretty healthy push. I thought they would be more of a D-shaped profile. I was wrong. The news trumped that. Yeah, hey, Rick, assuming that I'm still in the short when the dump happens. Yes, at 701. 7701, sorry. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. It's rigged. It's rigged. Yeah, yes, probably gonna get it. Well, it's gonna pull it back. Oh, we have no deal. We need a news statement to come out real quick. There is no deal. I'll get a quick little pullback. Then they come out, once I'm out, I'm good. Yes, indeed, we do have a deal. We were just informed there may be a deal. That's probably what'll happen. Roll over after I get stopped. It probably will. Told you guys, I have bad days too. Here's one of them. We're not over with yet. There's still a lot of time left, but it's not looking so hot for me. go look at the heat map real quick. Not looking good for me. Yeah, look, all the major ones down. Chips doing pretty well today. But Google down, Meta down, Microsoft down, Mike's down. So I need a big one. We can go all the way down there and get my target. I'll take a break. I won't place a trade for another 5 minutes. Oh, come on, Mr. Market. Please, 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 please. A new rapid EOD option. Oh, man. That sounds pretty exciting, Adam. No, it's just it doesn't take courage. It's just dumb. I let too many trades. I was up $700 or more on today. Wait, come back and stop me out for a loss. But I'm in that. Got to get it back. I need this trade to work out to chip away at a big chunk of that loss. So doesn't mean it's going to work. It's not looking so hot for me. Yes, it's still plowing new highs. Dow's back up 693. So NASDAQ's up 2.18%. Fantastic. I don't know if it's going to pull back hard. Yeah, I need to pull back hard, but we're not there yet. And need you guys help smash that lucky like button. We got that duck race coming up, hopefully. We got to get 300 likes to activate the duck race. We're at 215 likes at the moment. It's got it, man. And don't these people ever get exhausted of buying? Come on. They got to get tired at some point, right? Oh, I should have just went long this morning. Should have went long. All my problems would be gone. Yeah, stupid market. I really had in my mind that we're going to have a D-shaped profile today. So we probe up a little bit. We come back down. I absolutely got it wrong. 100%. Got it wrong. So, yeah, time travel. Need to hurry up and go all the way down. Go down to the VWAP. VWAP now is all the way down here at, look how far that is. I'm just going to measure. From VWAP to roughly where price is, 291 points. Now just go halfway there. I'll be happy. Let's get about halfway there. I'll be happy with that. Yeah, it's all in chips. Chips are really turning around today. Hey, Raj, but will we reverse before I finally give up? Oh, man. I think I saw 700. I was just up again. And then what we do, we bounce. It's like, oh, we get the Mike 700 number. Boop. Bounce up. Let's go double check that VIX again real quick. I need a little feel good. All right, VIX still up 35 cents. Woo. 900, 1,000. Let's get that 1,000. Oh, I didn't see 1,000, but I was hoping. Come on. I needs more. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Please, 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 please. Pretty please. I'll never fight the market again, Mr. Market, if you just make this okay. At least not for the next 5 minutes. We need to flush this low. I need us to flush this low. In all reality, look how steep the regression channel is. Really need this to start to flatten out here a little bit. It's way too steep. No, I was just fighting the market. Like an idiot. Down to at least 460. Now let's go to at least 398. And I'll probably get out before here. I just got a placeholder way down there. So just a placeholder for my target. I'll probably hit close before that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Look at your friend. Look at your friend. Mr. VWAP, you guys are friends. Your friend needs help. Go down to your friend, please. He's like, VWAP ain't my friend. Tell that joker to stay away from me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hopefully I don't regret this not taking profits down there. Hopefully it's not a repeat. Oh boy. Oh boy. I should have took it, Sam, but now I'm seeing 900. I really like to see at least 1,000 before I take it. No, I'm probably doing the wrong thing, but it is what it is. Killing you. Stressing everybody else out. Bringing everybody else into my stressful environment. Hey, I'm trying to smack a home run here. I mean, it is better to do base hits, but all right, there's 1,000. So we can get a little bit more here. Come on. Joker, why do you have to bounce back up? Don't you miss your friend, Mr. VWAP? Oh, you know what? My chart went off the screen. I wasn't seeing this move up like this. I was just seeing the P&L. Dog it. My chart was like this. I'm like, oh, not really moving. I see the P&L. I'm like, oh, dang it. Yeah, went off the screen. Went off the screen, ran away. I really wish I would have took that profit at $1,000. I'd still be down. I wouldn't be down as much. Come on, go all the way down and kiss the VWAP. Give her a little smooch smooch. I'm not even trying to take it all the way to VWAP. I mean, that'd be pretty amazing, but trying to get a little bit more down there. A little bit towards that direction, but not all the way. Come on. Get on down there. Uh-oh. 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 We might have a problem here, Houston. Maybe a small little problem. I'm close. I don't want to stop. I don't want to get out for a loss. That sucks. I was up 1,000 on it too. Looking for the bigger move. Didn't get it. Yeah, VIX was screaming up every time I look at it. Oh, VIX got smoked there. Yeah. All right, VIX is back down. VIX should be down with the markets going up the way it is. Well, good thing I got out. If you look, we're not that far from the session highs. At least I got something out of that one instead of a loss. should have got out when it was up 1,000. I was like, oh, if I get a little bit more, I can get back green. And again, trading the P&L is not a good thing. Now, I was purely trading the P&L and the target on that. I was trying to have that trade wipe away all the losses. But gotta reevaluate this. You know, it's not very good that they said, hey, we could announce a deal the next hour or maybe tomorrow, next couple hours or tomorrow. So we're going to be kind of held hostage to that news, and we don't know when the news is going to come out. So, I kind of want to see it spike the high again just to be like, all right. Yeah, I know. Hey, King, I know it. I know not to do it. I still do it sometimes. It's a sickness. I still do it. I know better, but still happens. The good news is, though, you guys can still smash that like button. We need about 63 more likes. Make sure we do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. If we look at the options flow screaming to the downside. Did just make a new high on the NASDAQ. Let's see. Let's see if I can give out some more donations. See if I can feed another market maker's family. They'll put their kid through college. Come on. Yeah, gotta feed them. Move that target down out of the way. I'm gonna try not to be as greedy on this one if it does start coming down for me. I almost just took the profit at 200 bucks. That's how not greedy I was trying to be. Just came in from work. Hey, Finite, what's up? Stupid effing market. Yeah, take the 100. Well, it's gone now. It's gone now. I wish my stop was above the high, but I don't want to move it. Oh, this sucks. Regression channel is not as steep going up as it was. Still pretty steep, but yeah, we got VWAP almost at 260. Almost 300 points away. Some point they should come back and make up. Get a little smoochy smooch going on at some point today. You would think. Yes, running out of steam. I need this NASDAQ to run out of steam. Run out of steam to the upside. All right, let's clarify that. How many trades have I been up over 500 bucks on today? Most of them I didn't take it. I regretted it. So no, I'm just going to take it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take that. Gotta chip away at some of this loss. 7. I don't know. It's been quite a few. Seen quite a few trades. I'm up over $500 and just end up with a loss on it. Yeah, 500 scalper. If I just took them, I'd be way better. I would probably be up for the day if I had taken every trade I was up $500 on. Did everything else the same and just took profit every time I was up $500. I think I'd be up for the day. Probably like, woo, this is a great day. But so let's see. I think they slipped me on that exit. I was only down 14 something. I thought, I mean, I was down 16. Come on. Every day you get more confident with your levels. That's always a good thing. Confidence helps out in trading. At least I was just wrong in that. Ah. Yeah, and get you killed too. Also, that's a fact. Overconfidence will get you smacked in a heartbeat. See if we're gonna push to this high real quick, and I'm gonna smack it again. Okay, I can't wait. It'll just dip down really quick. I'll be all right. Yeah, Joker market. A stupid market is what it is. Oh, good job on that, Raphael. Nice. Not me. I'm down. So you took some of my lunch money, Raphael. It's not fair. Lucid announced 50% deal. Nice. You guys want to check out? Use code Mike. 50% off. Straight's opening. Oh, that's funny. I don't know. I didn't see the sale. I just going off what you guys said, 50% off. I've been caught up in this mix and this being down today. Oh, you stupid son of a beep. We'll close it before it turns into a loss. They might be preparing for the next big rip up. I do like the angle of the regression channel starting not as steep as it was, but I don't know, man. I'm about tired of today. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Where's oil? Hey, oil's coming back up a little bit. Oh, let's go look at oil. At least it looks like it by the analyzer window. Let's look at this real quick. Hey, crude oil is trying to pop up here a little bit. Digging holes. Come on. Come on. Go meet your friend, Mr. VWAP, right down here. Right now, you guys can also meet with your friend, the structural breakout point. You guys can all have a good old party down there. Let's go. I'm going to take it. Take it. I got to chip away at least. Now I'm not down 1,000. You don't have any friends? Let's see if we can bounce back up so I can smack it again. Smack it. And you spent a lot of time, yeah. Who's not getting no rejections? Wow. Try to get back in. Try to get back in. Did not want to feel me. This will be the big drop now. This will be the biggest drop of the day since it didn't let me back in. Every dip's being bought for sure. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Do we have a deal now? Let's see. Do we have a deal? The straits will reopen tomorrow. I'm looking for it. I don't see it yet. Spike the ES up, make new all-time highs. Again on that little push. Still don't see any news. Oh, Trump's reposting. Come on, just push down a little bit. I'm going to take it, chip away at it. Now I'm only down 7 something. Yeah, I didn't see anything pop up on financial juice yet. Didn't see anything. What a rough day already. Holy smokes. It's only 10:39. 10:39, and we only need 51 more likes. Make sure we do that. A financial juice squawk. Let's go look. I wonder why they didn't have it in the written. They're trying to pop back up here. Oh, written's always a lot slower. Maybe I need to start having squawk on. Oh, hey, Jesse. Good morning. I don't know about a good morning, man. It's been a stressful morning for me. I've been down. I was up over 800 on several trades. I did not take the profits. Only one of them did I take profits on. That was that large. Stupid. Yeah, I'm getting whipped around pretty good. My favorite type of market. We only go one way. I'm trying to get it back. I should have taken that. I should have taken a little bit right there. Goes back down there on my. It's no bear. It's funny because when we're going down there today, people are like, "Ah, you don't ever short." That got me. The VIX was up. The VIX started going back down. Let's see where it is now. VIX is down 7 cents. Now, we didn't expect the VIX to be down with the markets being up as much as they are, but what about RSP? Did it come around? RSP is up 0.41%. SPY right now is up 1%. So, yeah. Let's see financial juice real quick. Yeah, I still don't see it written on financial juice. So I don't know. All right, let's see. I'm in it again. Yes, right there at, yeah, just shy of all-time highs. Ridiculous. Nah, that'll be a big crash. All right, back down 1K. Yeah, I'm getting smoked today. It is what it is. Not happy about it, but what am I gonna do? What you gonna do about it? If you look for that one big trade to get it all back, it's not happening. Look, we might get that second point of control there at 677 if we keep this up. Through a logic, it went long. It's actually probably a smarter choice. And think about what's going to really bring this market down. So, yeah. I'm not really good at taking a short break because if I walk away, you know what's going to happen? This thing's going to fall out. I went short again. Oh, man. Well, Friday we had the jobs numbers. That's going to be pretty big. I don't think we have any high impact for tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, we have orange, ADP, non-farm employment change, ISM. That's it. VIX is flat. And I wish I was flat for the day. That'd be a win right now for me. Yeah, I don't think it'll be a super green day for me. That's not going to happen. Because once I get back to break even-ish, I'm going to be a scared little church mouse. I'm just looking to try to get it back. I'm not even looking to have a big green day. I'm just looking to get it back. That's it. That's crazy. Craziness. Probably go up there and smash the high again, too. Break even's the new win. Break even is the new win. Break even is the new super green day. Yeah, I should have placed a buy order when the market opened, no doubt. And we already talked about Besant making comments before the market opened. They just poured it on even more. Which again, we don't have any deal yet. We're going up on the fact that we might have a deal today or tomorrow. Might. Bit of TPT later today. Stupid market. Stupid market. Where are the sellers at? Where is they at? I think the brokers disabled everybody's sell button. If you hit sell, it really means buy. Yeah, I gotta get it back. All right, new highs. Come on. Push. Looking for 11 a.m. dump. Come on, push it on down. Come on, push it on down. Yeah, shorts haven't been working for me very good either, DeBoss. Why I'm down on the day. Stupid market. Come on down. Push it on down. Push it on down. Push, 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 push. Yeah, nobody's ready to take profit yet. Come on. We're trying to break the lower regression channel. Let's get it. That's a big rip. That's a big one. Let's go back over and look at the heat map real quick. Nvidia's up, Apple's down. You know, SpaceX is up, Tesla is up. Look, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta all down. We do have all the chips up. Let's see SMH real quick. SMH screaming. We look at the sectors. Where are they at? Wow, majority. I don't know about majority, but XLK is up. XLI, XLF, financials. Then XLB, all the other sectors are in the red. Huh. We're going to go back up and stop me out, you son of a beep. Oh, you know what? Hey, that was pre-market. Hold up. We checked before. Yep. I said to set on pre-market. Dang it. Oh, let's see now. All right. That makes more sense. Because chips are up even bigger now. It's like, why is everything up where it was? Oh, thanks for letting me know I'm an idiot. So Meta's down. Amazon's down. SpaceX up 4%. Now look at the chips. Chips are up even more now. All right. Stupid market. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Well, I need to see the VWAP and price just get a little kiss. Mwah. It'd be fantastic. I'm not even going for the whole move. I'm just trying to just give me back to break even. That's all I'm asking. Just give me a break even day. Yeah, world peace. No, I've never traded a Legends account. I've never had their accounts. Yeah, yes, new highs. Sent me a DM. All right, let me try to get to that. I'm still working with all my screens all jacked up. KD has been saying super bullish. All right, let's see. All right, here's what KD shared. Big push up, stall, pull back, and then rip. KD's been bullish for a hot minute. We're going down. People were beating him up in the chat. He missed all the fun. And just if you want some fun, hey, just short the market. Plenty of excitement. Plenty of excitement. Get your blood going. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I need to keep on pulling back here. I needs to be green. Nearly a perfect 50% retracement. Look at this real quick. A 4-hour candle. That's pretty sick. Pretty darn sick on the S&P. NASDAQ's pretty sick too, but not as extreme looking as the ES. But then again, ES is at new all-time highs. Bots keep buying. Hey, that's one way to know I'm not a bot. Because I have not been buying. ES still going up higher. ES still pushing up at the moment. New session highs on the ES. Come on. Come on. Come on, please. Just need a quick doosh, doosh, doosh. Just like that. Sound effects and everything. Can we get it? Yeah, if you just went long this morning or last night, 6 o'clock, go long, boop, you can close it out now. You'd be happy. I didn't do that, obviously, but yeah, still making new session highs as we speak. Yeah, still pushing on up. But look at the regression channel. It's starting to, it was very steep, then a decent angle. Now it's starting to get more of the flattened out look. Not quite flat yet. Look above and failure. I don't know. Stupid buyers. Stupid buyers. I don't want to have a loss. I don't want to take a loss on that. Again, up again, another trade up over $500. I didn't take it. Dog it. Yeah, so frustrating. So frustrated with myself today, but it is what it is. Greed's rubbing off on you. That's not good. I don't want to do that. Hey, see you later, Chris. Let's see. Where'd that go? They still trying to push it, push it. And about it, new session highs over here on the NASDAQ. ES already clicking away new all-time highs. Hmm. New all-time highs. Oh, man. That's funny. Can't stop, won't stop. When will the party end? Never. Do. New session highs. I really want to smack it again, but I'm kind of getting tired of being smacked in the face. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and keep on pushing, and I'm gonna smack it again. Just give me a minute. Give me a few minutes. Man, yes, that 77.20. Man, NASDAQ is a beast. Oh, man. They're not playing here. So how are you guys doing out there? You guys doing better than me, hopefully? Hopefully. Where'd that go? All right. Options slowed down. It did start to get a little bit more bullish now. We're up here at the highs. Do I dare take another swing at this? You know I got to. I got to. Let's go. Barely green. Hey, I'll take barely green right now. Barely green sounds like a win. I gladly take that. Come on, Mr. Market. Come on down there. Give it to me. Don't you be mean. What the? Come on, get it. please. Yeah, we have AMD after the earnings, after the bell too. A little green and you're done. I'd take a little green. It'd be done, done, done. I'll take a big green today too, but little green, I'll be happy with that. Not trying to get greedy. Just a little green, green. You're red on Meta. Just down 1750. Oh, good job on that. I'll take that right now too. To me, that'd be a big win. But I still think I'm going to get back to break even or close to it today. I don't know if that's going to be the outcome, but I still feel like I have a good shot. It's only 11:08. Wow. So I got another hour before lunch. Then I got after lunch. And depending on the light counter, we'll see if we have that duck race coming up. MD stands for always must dump. First of all, I'll say advanced money destroyer. Something like that. Dang it. Stupid market. Heard duck race? Hey, Saz, we still got to get another 35 more likes. Usually I say before 11. We'll get it to 11:15. That way we have time to do the race and get the account transferred, all that fun stuff. If not, we'll see if we can hit the light counter at the nightly stream. Due for a trend back down? Not yet. They got more orders up there. They got to go stop out. They got to go get me real quick. Stupid effing market. If I don't end up getting this back, it's probably gonna be a big fat red day. If I keep trying to short this market, it's probably gonna be a big fat red day. Dang it. Iran's blaming the US for not getting a deal. Continued obstruction by the United States and the regional compliance. They don't want to get a deal. They want to drag it out past the elections. That's what they really want. I can't go long at this point. The market's up as much as they are today. I can't go long up here. Like I missed my shot. Like I can't go long after a big move like that. I'll get crushed. So I just gotta eat the bad day if it ends up being a bad day. Time for me to go long would have been earlier this morning. I waited too long. So oil right now is only down $3.50. So oil keeps trying to creep up here a bit. We're gonna get stopped out of this too. So if we look at CL, it's pulling back here a little bit now, but definitely off that low. And we look at the VIX, I did get stopped out of that trade. VIX up 24 cents. So look, we're at new all-time highs on the S&P. NASDAQ's blazing through session highs, being up 714 points. And the VIX is up. Somebody's lying. Somebody's not telling the truth. All right, I just shorted again. Where are we at? So, yeah. Will someone tell the market I need it to go down, please, and thank you? What's the range today on the ES? Well, only 92 points. We have further we can still go. NASDAQ 767 points. God, this could be a big fat red day for me. This afternoon is probably just gonna get uglier. Like I said, I don't have medium-sized down days. Either gonna be really big or small. So. You still need it to go up? My inside info is telling me we're going to keep ripping. I keep trying to fight it. Like, I feel like we're going to go higher. But I just can't buy it up here. I can't buy it without a pullback. I can't do it. So. Unfortunately. But it is what it is. Bad days happen. And sometimes things happen for a reason. But I'm not one that gives up. We'll see how it all ends up when it's all said and done. But the VIX going up is making me a little bit nervous. Well, I want to be long. Holy shoot. I said that we might have a deal in the next couple hours to maybe tomorrow. We heard this game play out before, though. They did this, what, a few months back. Then the weekend came. Oh, we're going to have it over the weekend. And Sunday came. Nope. Monday came. Well, we're almost there. We're almost there. All right, we can't come up with a deal. Oh. Uh-oh. All right, we didn't meet the like counter deadline. So no duck race today. We didn't make the 300 likes on the day. So no duck race for the day. Or for today's stream. Maybe tonight. We'll see if we hit the like counter tonight. So. Again, I'm just looking for a little pull. If we get a pullback, I may be willing to go long, but I can't go long way up here. I'm not doing it. Oh, hey, Lizard. So if you actually look through the chat, through the stream, there's actually been 2,400 people through the stream. So 300 likes out of 2,400 people that's come through. Yeah, I don't think that's asking a lot, but yeah. So nice try. Let's see. Look. Concurrent viewers 315. Total viewers 2,400. So asking for 300 isn't a whole lot. It's not even. Oh, let's do a calculator real quick. Let's just see on the calculator. I got stopped out again. Yeah, I'm gonna go on tilt today. I can already feel it. Yeah, it's 12%. I'm asking 12% of the people to push the like button. You're right. That's too much. Too much. Hey, Lee, have a good night. Good day. Let's see. Are we gonna get that other one? Are we gonna get that second point of control? It wasn't in my bingo card today. Yeah, it counts if you click the like before the stream starts. Once the stream's already set up, if you click like, it still count. All right, I'm short. Short again. Oh man, it's gonna be a bad day. I wonder how bad it's gonna be. From low to the high today, we've went 797 points. The average range is 713. So another reason why I don't feel good about going long. Not obviously, if I would have went long, I could have made some more money, but in the meantime, again, these days happen. It's not like this is what happens. I'm not going to change the way I trade. These are not normal days where we're going to have a deal. We're going to have a deal. I just have to deal with it. I have to suffer through the bad days. You know, they're far and few between, but I do get them. And Q trying for 30,000. That'd be sick if we get 30,000 today. Golly, that'd be nuts. That would be nuts. So, it is what it is, though. Let's get it. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure that could happen at some point. That would be funny. Yeah, I got a feeling today's going to be a big, fat, red day. I got a feeling come the end of this afternoon, I'm going to be down 5K probably. And no, I can't stop. Jesse was texting me saying, hey, full port it. It's guaranteed. Jesse was encouraging me to short it. Holy crap. No, I'm not doing it, boss dog, because you can't undo it. Not doing it. Not locking it out. Thoughts on AMD? Well, hey, here will be a good measurement. I'll tell you what AMD is going to do. Then you just do the opposite. Let's see. Oh, it's probably going to rip up. It's probably going to rip up. No, hey, J Lowe's, we already it's already past 11:15, so we're not gonna have time to do the race. We didn't get it by 11:15, so we will not be doing it. Hey, I don't want to, boss dog, but I just know myself. When I get off stream this afternoon, I'm gonna be smashing the buttons. It's not good. I tell you guys, on the stream, you get the better version of me. I already know. I'm pretty jacked up right now. I almost want to just end the stream just to go smash the buttons. And I know it's the wrong thing to do. That's the bad part about it. You can know I should not do this. F it. Bam. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have done it. I don't claim to be perfect. I make mistakes all the time. I know it's coming. I don't know. I can't explain it. If you've ever been on tilt, you understand, but it is what it is. I'm telling you, I'm going to be smashing the buttons after the stream. It's probably going to be at least a 5K down day if I'm down. If I'm not down, then I got lucky and we got a small little pullback. And I'm not going to be looking to go long. So if I start smashing the button, we keep going up, my loss is only going to get worse. So jump in the pool. I can't get away now. I can't get away. You sorry piece of sh. Price is so far away from the freaking VWAP. Come on, you effing market. Just get down there. Just go. Oh, man. Like, I might even end up skipping lunch today. Or I might just walk out there, refill my drink, and get a freaking snack and then come back and smash the buttons. So, is what it is. I'm not even mad about it either. I want to get it back. I think it's funny how earlier they were saying, hey, we got a deal any minute or tomorrow. I just feel like it's a repeat of what they did a few months back. I think that's why they're doing it again, because it worked so well back then to pump those markets up, and they're trying to do it again. These SOBs. Yeah, I know. Hey, the boss. Hey, logic. Hey, you're right. You guys are right. Logically, I should not do it. I agree 100%. I just can't stop myself. Hey, that's why the lockout feature is so powerful in the prop accounts. You need something to protect yourself from yourself. And I'm not doing it. I'm not locking myself out. Not doing it. I'm not going to log in the Ninja and lock it out. Not doing it. 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 So, and I hate it. Like, I don't like the way how I'm feeling right now. This is back at work. I would already be bam, laptop day, new hard drive. I'd be getting to that point right now. Yeah, Tom, I can't find anything about the 50% off that Raj said. I can't find it. I was looking. I couldn't find it. Well, Basent announced it earlier this morning, and then it came back on again. And see, here's the bad news. I really should go do some exercise, but I can't, because I'm not going to be able to get away from the charts. I really should go do some exercise and make it bring me back down. That'd probably calm me down, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just being real with it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to end up smashing the buttons. We're either going to have a big down day, or I'm going to get back to, I'm not going to try to, hey, if I get back close being 200 bucks within break even, or I'm at break even or a little bit higher, I'm done. I'm not trading no more. I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm back. I'm going to try to get my profits. I'll stop. I'll be like, I'm sorry, Mr. Market. I'm sorry. Please. I'll never do it again. But until the next day, never do it again today. So. And we have a trade detector bubble up here too. Son of a biscuit. Go watch Billions the series. Never seen that. Hey, where can I watch that at, Leo? Yeah, I know. If I go work out, the market will fall. I know you always think you can win it back. It's not good. Look, I've even said the way I'm feeling, what I'm going to do is not good. I know it. I just know myself. I'm not going to be able to stop it. I'm going to be smashing, but I'm just being brutally honest with you guys. It's going to probably be an ugly day for me. And I understand that. And then afterwards, I'll be like, tonight, you're a stupid moron. Why'd you do this? Oh, man. I'm laughing about it because it's freaking retarded. I'm still going to end up doing it. So. If I wasn't on stream, I'd be smashing the contracts a lot more, which means I'd already be at a pretty decent loss. No, I haven't watched it, Leo. I don't watch a lot of TV. See, that's what a lot of people think. Like, I'm always watching the markets, always. If anybody knows me, has talked to me, hey, did you see the charts? Yep, I'm looking at it right now. I'm always watching the markets. So I'm not saying that's a healthy thing either, but and now that I'm getting my butt kicked today, it's not helping. Green by 820. Man, I'd take $8.25 right now. I'd go do a cartwheel for you guys if I can get up $8.25. My wife might have to call an ambulance afterwards, but yeah, I might not though. No worries. I mean, I don't always get it back. Like, you guys don't see after the stream. I do stupid things sometimes too. I'm no different than everybody else. I can just recognize when I'm going to do it. I just can't stop myself. I can't say I can't ever stop myself. When the tilts, it just depends on what degree I'm at. Now, it's getting ramped up right now. Like, I'm getting antsy here at the moment. Hey, maybe we'll get lucky. Hey, maybe this one will get it back and I don't have to go through that mess after the stream. I still got about 30 minutes before I'm going to sign off and go refill my drink, and I just grab a bite real quick out there in the kitchen and come back and go into mash button mode. No, I'm not breaking my computer sods. Not my two beautiful new monitors, which the second one is not even hooked up yet, which means after the stream, I can't work on doing that because I got to work on getting it back. Oh boy. Oh boy. Today is buy high, sell higher. That's fact. That is a fact. Today's the day. Just do the opposite of what I do. Just do the opposite of what I do. So. We'll see. Oh, I mean, I'm glad all of these are not being copied right now. That would suck. I would have blown up I don't know if I would have blown them up, but they would have definitely been hurting pretty bad. I don't know. I think I have like 26 accounts or something. Man, if we can just get this thing cooking to the downside, I'll be all right. Yeah, it'll be cool. It's not even real quicksand. I'm gonna take it. I gotta take something. I gotta try to chip away. Chip away, chip away, chip away. If we get a bounce back up, I'm gonna short it. Watch, we won't get a bounce. If we don't get a bounce, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry so bad. Watch, it's gonna dip, you son of. Ugh. One-way ripper. Well, hey, it would have been nice if you would have came and told me that before I got into this mess. I gotta turn my AC down in here. It's getting too hot. $73 in my office and it's too hot. That lets you know I'm not having a good day. Stupid market. Yeah, my blood pressure probably is. Heat things up in here. Yeah, I mean, it's not like I'm on the verge of blowing up my account. Just irritating at the moment. I mean, I have 6 figures in my account. We'll see if I still have it after today, but at least at the moment. Oh, that'd be a real bad day. We're not going to talk about that. We're not going to speak that into existence. All right. 29,200 to break even. Oh boy. Hey, that'd be a good day for him. If we can get all the way down to 29,200, let's go. Magnesium and 1 hour before bed. Hey, how's that help, Tris? What does that do for you? Probably missed a lot of the other comments. Yeah, you gotta fold sometimes. Hey, I have folded. That's when me hitting close. Beep. Closing out. That's me folding. It was funny. One time the guys at work wanted to have like a little guys' night, play poker or whatnot. I don't know how to play poker, so they made me a cheat sheet. What beats what, all that. I was like, all right, I got this. And they got mad because every time I win, I take part of it, put it in my pocket. I play with whatever. I'd win, put it in my pocket. At the end of the night, they got mad because they had no shot to get their money back. Because the money, once it was in my pocket, I would not take it back out. And we weren't playing for a lot. It was only a few dollars, so. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I'm not really doing anything different than I normally do. It's just the market. This is my strategy killer when we get days like this. So it is what it is. I just need a big whoosh. We're not going to have a deal. And I don't think they're going to do it. I think they're going to keep dragging it along. They already said maybe in the next couple hours or tomorrow. So I doubt we're going to get anything bad about the deal today. Plus, I'm short. Hey, I'll just think about money management. That's all I was thinking about. I got to manage that money, which I'm doing a piss poor job of today. So, no, but the markets want the deal for oil to go down, help inflation. Screw me out of my trade. I don't think Trump's planning a sneak attack. I don't think so. I think he really wants a deal. He wants to be known as, I brought peace to the Middle East. But so I don't know. We'll see. Again, bad days happen all the time, so it sucks, but hey, it's part of it. I'm not even mad about it. The Me News. I mean, the good news is he's brought a lot of volatility to the markets. Volatility equals opportunity for us. When you're on the wrong side of it, like I have been today, it's not good, but I mean, volatility is never healthy. Volatility is never healthy. You get on the wrong side of it, it's it could be a death sentence. Red fire hose. Oh, red fire. For sure. Super chaotic. I mean, both his terms, we had quite a bit of volatility in the markets. Both of his terms. I gotta stop this madness. I'm not gonna be able to. The only good news is I haven't went really big yet. Otherwise, I'd be having a really bad day. So hopefully we get a little bit. Hopefully we get just a little retracement on the way back down. Like, let's go look on the 30-minute chart. Like, all joking aside, right? Look at the low today. All the way to the high. 38% retracements down here at 348. I got stopped out, new highs. Is oil going down? All right, let's go look. Let's go looky real quick. See if that little blip had anything to do with the Middle East. Yeah, look, oil took out the low. So we probably just got some more news over in the Middle East. I just don't see it. Do you guys see it coming through yet? Yeah, I know. He needs to put a shot collar on me now. Like, what's wrong, Mike? Nothing. I was thinking about getting a trade. All right, guys, I'm looking right here to show. That would save me a lot of money. It might be a little painful, but save me a little bit of money. So oil dumped as the market just ripped the new highs. Europeans to clear minds. Really? Probably they don't have the equipment to do so. Oh boy, that's not good. You see me chasing that? That is not good. I'm asking for a I want no shocking underwear. That would not be good. Oh, yeah, that's good. I told you I'll probably be down $5,000 today when it's all said and done, and probably more even. I usually don't have small down days. Hey, look, we did hit that other one too, 677. Son of a gun. I really did not think we'd hit both of those today. Wow. Wowzers. All right, I'm back short. Back short. This is going to be friggin' bad. Shock has to be on the mouse. I need to do the eye controls to trade. Move the eyes and bam, get you in the trade. Yeah, we didn't get the 300 likes by 11:15 though. We don't have time to do the duck race. We don't have time to do it now because I'm going to be getting off here shortly. That's what I said by 11:15. But tonight we'll put a like goal out there for tonight, and you guys get on the nightly stream. Assuming I'm still around. The market didn't cause me to stroke out this afternoon. The stupid market is just not cooperating today. I'm just being an idiot. It's not the market's fault. It's my fault. I should have recognized it earlier. I'm good with that, but it still doesn't help the calls at the moment. So I can't buy after a huge move. Like, we're already up way past the ATR. I can't do it. That means I'm going to lose more money along the lines. It is what it is. I just know over time it works out, just not today. We'll be at 1 or 3 today. So nighttime, I had the stream set up for 8:30, but I'm usually on the mic around 8 o'clock. Oh, man. We just keep plowing up. God, this could be bad this afternoon. I don't think 5,000 is gonna be my limit. I think I'm just gonna be bigger than that. Unless we get some type of pullback. It's gonna be ugly. End of the day should be interesting. Now, I'll probably just be new all-time highs. New highs begets new highs. Nah, I can't take the day off. I thought about going to EFO one today. I was like, oh, I'll get some trades in early, but I was like, I gotta finish setting up my monitors. Now I'm not gonna even get to do that because I'm gonna be trying to get it back. So yeah, maybe for the NASDAQ, but the ES is at all-time highs. If you look at ES is at all-time highs. Look at that, straight rocket ship up. Look over here at right there. New all-time highs on the ES. So I mean, after the stream, I'm going to be smashing some buttons. I'll probably go refill my beverage, just get a quick bite to eat out in the kitchen and back at it. If we get a pullback, I have a shot to get back green today. If we don't get a pullback, it's going to be ugly. No. I mean, I've had periods where I've done very, very poorly, but I've never taken a break. Like, I think I've missed max 20 days total of trading since 2005, June or July of 2005. I'm just dumb enough where I don't quit. Like today. Yes, still plowing up higher. Really like the yesterday. That's why you donated to it. I was liking the NASDAQ. I felt so bad for all the days I took the money from the NASDAQ. No, I've never seen the video. We Are Traders. Never seen it. Is it on YouTube or? I doubt I'll watch it today, but I wouldn't mind seeing it normally. This is effing ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's a minute long. Is it on YouTube? I'm gonna go look for it. Oh yeah, 1 minute long. I'm gonna watch it after the stream. I'm gonna watch it after the stream. I'm done. I'm done with that. I'm done with that trade. I'm already down $3,300 today. It's only Tuesday. Good news is it's Tuesday and it's not a Friday. So I still got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to get it back. And then it goes down. I'm not happy with this market. I guess we know what side of the market Barron was on. He was short oil, long equities. Fantastic. Yep. Hey, Heavy D, I didn't give it up. Didn't give it up. I don't quit. I'm not a quitter. Not a quitter. I'm going to probably be crying later, so. I mean, this is just relentless here at the moment. Relentless. Got me off sides in a bad way today. Look, 30-minute, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive 30-minute candle up. No pullback. No pullback since, really, 5:30 this morning. That's not normal. So I'm not going to tailor a strategy for this. I just got to suffer the bad days. It's fine. Most days I end up green, but not always. No, I can't do it, KD. I can't go long up here. I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Not even if Jesse had that shot collar on me, I wouldn't be able to do it. So I can't do it. And it's fine. Like, and I'll tell you, I'll show you. I'll send a screenshot when I'm done and show you guys tonight in the stream how bad it was. I mean, that's assuming I don't get it all back. You know, the market, if the market drops, just know if the market drops, I'm probably going to get it all back. If the market doesn't drop, it's not going to be a good day. Trend's not my friend. Whoever made up that lie is lying. Me and the trend are not friends. We're mortal enemies. Oh man, Heavy D, I appreciate that. Yeah, do a brother a solid. I can't wait. All right, Heavy D's coming in. He's coming in clutch for me, so I went ahead and shorted the market again. All right, I'm waiting. Let's see if you have the powers to push the market to get me green. I gotta go leave this volume profile real quick. I need to quit jerking around. All right, look, here's the 38% retracement at 348. Let's just go ahead and look for a little bit easier target. 5, whatever this is. 528. 528. We get the 528. We're not gonna get there. Heavy D, I think you let me down. I was betting everything on you. Let's see, the RSP might be at all-time highs too. Let's go look real quick. RSP, yeah, all-time highs. We have the diamonds, all-time highs. SPY, all-time highs. IWM, not yet. Neither is the Qs. I got stopped out again. It's been down $3,500 today. Giveaway, we didn't get 300 likes before 11:15. So no giveaway on the morning stream. We'll try to do it this evening. Other stream set up for 8:30. And we'll set a like counter and see if we can get it there. If not, we'll push it to the next day. Oh, it's not. I'm just in gotta get it back mode. When I go back and review my trades later tonight, I'm gonna be like, yeah, you're truly an idiot. But you know, when you get caught up in the mix, logic goes out the window sometimes. So it is what it is. Yep, Dragon, you're right. I refuse to understand how a topping pattern works. Knowing and doing are two different things. I understand how it works. You're caught in the mix, though. You just do stupid things. So, I tell you guys all the time, I'm human. Yeah, VIX is up too. VIX is up while the markets are at, well, at least while the ES is making new all-time highs. Dow making new all-time highs. Look, still going up. People buying insurance. Just so. But with that being said, I'm going to go get some lunch. I'm going to lick my wounds. I'm going to come back. I'm going to smash the crap out of some buttons. So hope you guys will join me tonight on the live stream. Today was quite the show. Down $3,500. Not good. Not good. Not a good day. Red days occur, so it is what it is. If we don't get a drop, it's probably not going to be good. I don't see me going long. So with that being said, guys, take care. Look forward to seeing you guys tonight.